What's good, YouTube? What is good, everyone? Great to see you. Great to be back. Back from a lovely week away with the family. Very much needed. Nice to recharge the batteries. I'm glad to be back, guys. Glad to be back. Let's get stuck into gold. Let's do some quick. I just want to have a quick recap, guys, of the week that I was away, actually. And my goodness, gold has absolutely done a complete rally to the upside. So let's start from Monday the 3rd, guys. We're down here, way down here. And if we just go back to the daily chart, I want to show you guys something. Now, for those of you that have been watching the streams since the start, I have been talking about quite a lot this level from the October 2025, really key level of demand, really key level of daily support, where we had this enormous run up to the upside on gold that kickstarted towards the end of the year. Now, just get rid of those drawings again for you. Now, coming back up towards where we started at the start of the year, and we've just been in a downward trend ever since. But as you can see here, guys, we tapped into this area of daily support, daily demand, whatever you want to call it, where we know that enormous institutional buyers have been previously. And as Wall always likes to say, gold always returns to the scene of the crime, and that's exactly what it's done here. We consolidated, and then we've had this boom to the upside. So all of last week, guys, we were completely bullish, partly obviously down to we've retested this area of huge buying from last year, but also more importantly, probably fundamentally, with the poor performance of the dollar due to poor inflation data, due to poor NFP figures. The NFP was ridiculous. It was nowhere near what was expected. And that's what caused that huge run to the upside on Friday last week. So for this week, guys, we're going to be cautious not to run straight into buys just yet, because, and let me show you why. If we just drop down to the hourly chart for you. If you haven't watched it already, guys, I really recommend you go to the YouTube channel and watch the Flow Trading Academy weekly analysis, where we break all this down for you, because you will see in that video exactly what we've been looking for. So you can see here, this level here is a really key level from June. And I'll go to the footprint in a minute and I'll show you exactly why. But in June, we had huge institutional sellers step into the market after a big rally up to the upside. And everyone's going, great. Don't forget, guys, we've had this huge bearish move. Everyone's now going, oh my God, this is amazing. We're now flipping bearish. We're now flipping bullish. This is great. Everyone buy gold, everyone buy gold. And we had this huge rally to the upside, only for it to get rejected at this price at the end of June. This is around the 43.76s on spot. And then we just continued that huge bearish move to the downside, only to start consolidating, as we've done here at that October 2025 level. And now we're starting to rally. And as you can see, guys, what's happened here? We've retested that June 2025 level, and we have instantly rejected once again, guys. So you can see here, we are now trapped in this range on spot between the 43.70s and about the 4300s as well. So I'm not jumping into buys just yet, because you can see how we started the week with, again, immediately rejected this area after a nice bullish run to the upside. If you were lucky enough, and I don't know why you wouldn't be, if you watched the Flow Trading Academy weekly analysis video that is posted every single Sunday evening before the markets open for the week, you would have caught that buy, because that buy was called out in the weekly analysis, and you would have caught that and be sitting very pretty at the start of the week. And straight away, we've rejected this area once again. I'll go into the footprint chart in a minute and show you why that's so key. And we've just, since we've opened, since London sessions open, we're just being in this downtrend. So that's why we don't want to rush into buys, guys. We don't want to get caught like those June retail traders that saw this enormous run to the upside and thought, yes, gold's going bullish, let's buy the shit out of it, only for them to get absolutely slapped again. So we don't want to be like that. We're going to use the order flow, we're going to use tools to our advantage, and we are going to take the best possible trade using the data that is available to us. So let's go over to the footprint chart. There is that June 2026 level, I just go in to show you exactly why we rejected there again, you can see huge traders coming in on the ask. So enormous sellers. And below here, you can see the huge amount of negative delta as well. Delta absolutely tanked when previously we had positive delta coming into this area. So what does this show us? This shows absorption. So as soon as these sellers then took over, we were then able to drop down all the way until we got to about the, I would say, yeah, 43.80s on futures, which is around that level I drew up on spot. And you can see here, we are now in this range, guys, between the 44.20s, call it the 44.30s, all the way down to the 43.80s. So what are we looking for in NY session? Well, for now, guys, not much we can do here. We're currently just stuck in between the highs and lows. What I'm looking for really carefully is around the 43.82s on futures. Now, the reason for that is look at all this. Look at all this on the footprint, guys. We have huge order flow activity. Now, this may look to you as if these are just huge, enormous sellers on the ask, and that you're absolutely right. However, because we were able to move up from there, that's that price there, we were able to move up. What does that tell us? That tells us that with all of that, thousands upon thousands of sellers, there were more aggressive buyers buying from those sellers. Because if you're a seller, you need a buyer to complete the transaction. And that's exactly what happened here. We had thousands upon thousands of sellers at this price. They were selling to what? Buyers. That's what caused this huge move up. So that's why I'm currently patiently waiting for the 43.82s or in and around that area to be tested. And then we're going to look to try and buy it back up to the VWAP. Failing that, I would like to see a bit of a push up, perhaps towards the 44.05s, if not back to the 44.20s, and then we can look to take short positions. Volume's not been amazing today, guys. London session's been quite dull. I know Ward took an amazing buy that I'll ask him to break down in a second, but really, guys, the volume's not been fantastic. So I'm hoping New York session is going to bring the volume for us, and that's the plan we've got. Currently in a range, so we're looking to fade the extremes. When we're balanced and chopping like this, my favorite strategy is to play the extremes. So I want to see us try and retest the highs, and then we look to sell, or try and break the lows, and then we will look to buy. So that's my plan for today, guys. That's what I'll be looking at. Let's get the book map back up. So you can see there, guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at on the book map, the 43.82 level. Let me show you that area on the book map. It's just here, so you can see thousands of aggressive participants hitting the bid at this level. These look like aggressive sellers, but of course, you've got, what does an aggressive seller need? It needs a buyer. And that's exactly what we found when we retested this level at the 43.82s. You can see on the volume profile as well, huge amounts of volume transacted at that level. Price failed to break down, and that's what caused that large rally up to the 44.20s, which again, mentioned and called out on the weekly analysis. And that's the trade right there, guys, for you. So that's exactly what we're looking for, just to retest. We're looking for that area to get retested again, and then we will potentially look to take buys. If this area fails to hold, not a problem. There could be plenty more opportunities to look for buys, or alternatively, we'll look for little pullbacks and then we'll look to take the sells. That is the overall plan for today, guys. That's what we're looking at. So let's let the community in. What's going on, fam? How are we all doing? Beautiful. New week, new month. Yep. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, got you.
Okay.
You go. Who wants to do their analysis first, guys? All okay?
You carry on, because I just put my turned my chat back on. So All right.
Let me share your screen, Will. There we go.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna bring it over to my trading view since I got some levels marked up from that weekly analysis.
Are you
So,
are you streaming, bro? Sorry, I can't get your stream up.
yes, I'm definitely streaming.
There you go. Got you. Go for it.
Okay. All right. So, weekly analysis, we had levels marked up from here, and I believe it was roughly here at the 89s. So, we had, Globex session, market open, came down. We got buys up from this level. We got buys up from this level again, but the second time it happened within a split second, happened like just within 2 1-minute candles, down, up over 100 ticks. This move over here was like 150 ticks. Now, once we got under there, obviously, we were saying on the weekly analysis, we're going to start to trade towards this level down here at the 360s, and we came back, retested the low volume node here, sold off again, sold off a little bit, but once we broke back above, now we're once again trading back up towards the highs, and now, coming into, the New York session, we're perfectly balanced. And because we're perfectly balanced, we were removing this key level, and now we're going to work with this level here at the prior week's high, and this level down here at the 360s. Anything in between will be short-lived trade. Now down here, we can take a much more positional trade where we'll carry that trade much higher. But until we get there, we'll just, scalp the market. And as for the NASDAQ, we were saying, hey, I'm buying this up into 30,000s. And sure enough, it got very close. We got up to 29,980. Super close. But hey, the analysis was correct. And now, just like the gold trade, we're balanced again. And there was a little buy setup right here. And now I'm looking at NASDAQ, and it's not looking particularly strong or anything. And we're in a much larger range. So I could see this come New York session. I could see this trade back throughout the New York range. Trade all the way down to about 29,700s, possibly lower. But we'll get there when we get there. All right, go ahead. Hand it over to Kay.
Beautiful. Thank you, man. Okay, Kay, you ready?
Yes, I am.
There we go. Go for it.
Okay, first of all, let's look at the volume profile. We're talking about gold. As you can see, we've been trading within this range, and below that, there's not much volume. Let me just quickly get rid of this one because this was for the FOMC or NFP thingy. Anyways, so as you can see, market is pretty balanced. It's a D shape. Okay, however, look at these peaks. When you see these peaks, just know that market gonna go and take this high out. Now don't ask me why, you're just gonna take my word for it. Okay, I'll give you a reason why. Because we put in a lot of volumes up here. That means there's a lot of transaction took place, hence market gonna go and take this high out. If the market was to go back up to this point, okay, then this high is gonna get taken out. Also, look at this low. This is the low I'm looking at too. Okay, top of the distribution, and this is the bottom of the distribution. If you look at the shape of the profile, it's a perfect D shape, so you want to do reversal trading. However, I'm not interested in a short, I'm only looking for a buy. So I'm waiting for the market to come down and test this bit. And if I were to look at my footprint and go back on time, I'll show you. You can see tons of volume got transacted here.
tons of volume. So this is a really good spot, and you can see the delta 467 delta LO buy pressure. As soon market came down, look at the buy pressure that came in. Okay, so a lot of buy pressure. Look at the buy pressure that came in. So these are the two zones that I'm looking at, looking for the price to do some sort of like, you know, move from there. Also, let's look at the delta divergence now. Market coming down is pretty much in sync at the moment. Pretty much in sync, so there's nothing to see here. Because obviously, on a D-Day, you get things like that. I do not have my TPO chart open yet, but definitely I will load it up in a bit. So let's mark some levels from here. If the market put in the low here, what are the prices that we are looking at? So this is one price I'm looking at. Okay, what I'm thinking essentially what the market is gonna do, we're gonna make a D shape here and D shape there. Okay, if the market was to come down, but for now, from here to there, this is the range that I'm going to be working with. And as you can see, we had a perfect rejection here. Like earlier, hold up, this is GCP I'm looking at. Let's look at gold. Okay, if I were to look at yesterday's thingy, this was a level. We had a perfect rejection from here. I took some profit off right here. I bought it last night. Okay, I made I believe 13% on my account. Let's get it out. If I can find it. Sorry guys, I know I'm dragging on.
No, you're good. You're good. So this is K's $100 challenge.
Yes, I withdrew 100, and then I left 100 and made it $13. I don't know why it's not showing here. Maybe it's because I took the trade on my phone. And you can see here's the NFP buy. It was NFP, right? It was
that
NFP.
is NFP. Yeah.
Yeah, NFP buy, like from this area. Okay, so I'm looking for the market to come back down and retest this. Okay, once market goes there, I want to see that type of reaction taking place. If I see good reaction, I'm definitely going to take the trade. And I'm sorry for being really slow. Went out last night at 3 in the morning. Came back just now. Went to see the sunset.
You're fine. But that's really interesting, man, because that's the exact level that I am looking at as well. That's where what you showed on your footprint chart. This is that area there, over 100,000. No, sorry, over 1,000 hitting the bid.
Over there near the low.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. Perfect.
And if you look at the footprint as well, around 43.82 on futures. If you've got that as well. Look at that.
I've only got the spot prices on.
Okay, so that would be on spot about 43.16. 43.16.
Yes, I have a level there.
Yeah. So if you look at my screen, look at that.
Yep. Yep.
Huge volume.
Oh, yes.
Huge.
Yes.
That's why, guys, we're both looking at the same sort of area to look to initiate longs. So for futures, that's around 43.82, and on spot, that's around 43.16, 43.20, possibly around that area.
How is everyone doing, by the way? How are the trades going?
Amazing. Multiple gold buys, wins.
So let's go.
Man, I haven't initiated a trade in over a week. I got withdrawal symptoms.
Uh-oh.
You need to get addicted again.
Oh man, yeah, I'm back to it. As soon as I take that first trade. Here we go. We're starting to drop down a little bit on gold. This is exactly what we want to see. This is good. Do you want it to come down lower though, guys? Do you want it to come down lower? Gold for most of the day has been very bearish. We were here in the Flow Trading Academy premium execution room, and we've just been sat watching gold just completely drop from that level we talked about earlier, that June 2026 level, where it's been rejected multiple times, which is about the 44.30s on futures. So it's rejected multiple times now. It's just been coming down ever since. So expecting a bit of a pullback, as Kay and Wall have said. We're very much a balanced day. In balanced days, I prefer to fade the extremes. I like to look for retail traders buying the highs, trying to catch the breakout, or selling the lows, trying to catch the breakdown, only for aggressive buyers to enter the market and take them all out.
Guys,
Yes.
check the options level for today's
Oh, yep.
gamma
Nice.
levels and stuff.
So that's another thing. Like Kate posts the option levels, key option levels every single day for everybody. And you're not going to get that unless you're a member of the premium.
Absolutely. This is the FTA premium, guys, in the Discord. The options levels posted every single day for you guys. I'll let Kay explain what those are in just a second, but we've got tons of content, guys. You must join the premium. Even a free Discord, there's loads of great content on there as well. Some really useful educational trading. If you want to use my Bookmap or want to see how I set it up, we've got some amazing videos in there. You want to see how Kay and Wall set up their charts, fantastic videos in there. And of course, we share trade ideas. We're in the execution room all day, every single day. So make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to join the Discord. Link is in the description and also on the main page. So, sorry, Kay, do you want to explain what these levels mean for people?
Yeah, sure. Bear with me for 1 second. I'll just set this up.
Yep.
I will just quickly set this up, and then I will show you.
Keep an eye on gold just to make sure we don't miss anything.
Yeah. Almost ready. Almost.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Keep an eye on, actually, let's keep an eye on gold for now.
Yeah.
I need to come down.
It has to. It's gonna struggle. The move is gonna be slow here. Because if the market was to go up, it should go up right where it is now. Okay, and if it does go down, it should go down slowly because we're just entering this chunk of volume here. Whenever you're ready, I have the options level and stuff up.
Yeah, no worries, let me go, I'll go over to you. Okay, yeah, go for it.
Okay, so I'm not gonna go too depth into it. I'm sure people know these things, like, you know, most of it, everyone that is interested in these things, they know about it. So this is gold, okay, and I'm looking at GCV contract, not GCZ that we are trading at the moment, okay, because most of the options are taking place here. So these are the key levels, okay. This is where most of the gamma strikes that took place, okay. Whenever market goes to these ones, you guaranteed a reaction there, guaranteed. Okay, so if you were to look at GCV, let's look at GCV for a second. Okay, 43.30, 44.55 over here. I'm gonna open this chart up and go here. So 44.55. Let's have a look what we got. Let me quickly get rid of this. GCV 44.55. It's all the way up there. We haven't got there yet. Okay, however, this is 44,000, 4400, sorry guys, 4400. Can you see? Look at this, 4,400, 4.37 million gamma. Look at the market reaction. Around that level. If I were to be precise, let's do that. There you go. As the market went around that, it collapsed. Okay. Now, what's the down price? 43.50. Let's have a look what we got. Over here, it did poke a little bit. Obviously, it's never going to be perfect all the time. Basically, this is a level you're expecting a reaction. When market goes there, you're going to see that type of reaction taking place. So around 43.50 region, this is where buyers came in and pushed the price up. You went down a little bit lower, obviously, but hey, this is just one thing. There's other things that you can look at. Okay, now 43.55 is one price, then 4300 is a big one, guys. 43.25 and 4300. Those two are really massive. 43.25, I'll just mark that level, and 4300. So if price comes down here, look for a buy. That's a buy for now, Simon.
Yeah, okay, thank you, man. Those levels posted every single day in the premium Discord.
Oh, by the way, I know I did not explain it properly, and I'm sure everyone knows the reason why.
Well, here we go, guys. Gold pushing now. That's a little explosion to the downside there. Top 82. Very close. Okay, guys, just looking for a sign of aggressive buying now, guys. Delta still very negative as we come into this area, which is a good sign. Want to see a really aggressive negative delta coming into an area of interest, an area of demand, an area where we know buyers are present. You see this buying volume really pick up, guys.
Wall, what's the current GCV price?
Hold on 1 second. 52.7.
Okay, cool. I have a level at 50, so I want to see the type of reaction we get here.
And Hyperoptic, we do full fiber broadband, so you can win that.
Yeah, that's why don't jump in, guys. Let's see. Getting more positive reaction here.
I'm actually interested in this price too, because of the options level. If I get strong buy coming in here,
Yeah,
definitely I'm jumping in with a smaller position. Oh, by the way, that shady broker paid me my money.
good, man. Good.
Hey.
Okay, see the
No, they're not
delta's
shady, man. They're not shady. I'm joking. They did pay me before. But you never know with these brokers.
K is currently up over 100% in under 2 weeks, I believe.
Oh yeah, shall I pull my thing out? No, a little bit over 2 weeks.
Okay,
This
a
is
little
the
bit over
third
2
week.
weeks.
This is the third week.
So over 100% in, just over 2 weeks is quite the accomplishment.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
We are getting some buyers stepping in, guys.
Okay, I'm jumping in with the buy. Smaller position. If it goes down lower, I want to add some more.
Okay, we've got some positive delta coming in. I want to see this down move get rejected, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump in buys as well. We're in buys. Type that up for you guys. Right area. Oh,
Perfect. I'm 1.3% up. Shall I take it? No. Leave it.
Training Views had it. Sorry, Training Views had an absolute meltdown.
Did they have a meltdown? Oh yes.
Oh, yes.
Love it.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Love it. Let me see if I can take it back up to current sessions POC. Obviously, I've taken only one smaller position. I wish I had multiple. But obviously, I would have added it had the market went lower. But I want to take it off near the PLC. I don't want to aim for the home run because obviously it's a smaller account. Every little helps. Tesco. There you go. 3%. I've taken it. So 16% up today.
Okay, nice, nice.
Very nice. Oh, the music's gone. Sorry, guys.
Oh, yes, yes.
By the way, welcome back, Simon.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you.
Missed
Appreciate
you,
it.
man. Missed you.
Been gone for a while.
I must say, when you were gone, energy was a lot better, man. We made so much money. I think
know,
you're a
man.
genius.
I know. I saw it looked so much better. The week looked amazing.
Oh yes, yes. We are on fire. I think earlier I misspoke. I was supposed to say I went to see the sunrise. I think I said I went to see the sunset.
Yeah, I was thinking that at 3 o'clock in the morning.
No, we
missed it.
went out at 3 in the morning. We went to Wales, okay, and we wanted to see the sunrise from a mountain. So went out at 3 in the morning, climbed the bloody mountain, like around 4:30ish. Okay, went all the way up, waiting for the sun to come up. So silly.
Oh, man. Kay was not here, but Christian, since joining for the, it's like 2 weeks worth of trading, he got, he's in the green and he's taken his account out of drawdown.
Let's go, Christian.
Yes,
Yes, my brother.
Another FTMO
Let's
Mendes
go.
smashing it.
Well done.
Thanks,
Love
man.
it.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Above all, like, this is the most proudest thing ever. Trust me.
That's my stop loss.
What? Is it not one of the proudest
Yes.
moments? Like, when you see,
Of course.
yeah, man. I'm
You start to see like, it's like the hard work, the teaching and everything. And it's like, it comes to fruition.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hey, I'm glad I took my 3%. I need my morning tea, one sec.
Use on the move all. Wow.
Oh, are you talking about NAS?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's an interesting zone right now.
Yeah,
But-
like I was saying, we could see it trade through the New York range because it's looking weak. And we're range bound. It's like, well,
Yeah.
And we know that, as far as the indices go, the New York NYSE session trades multiple times more volume than Globex. So if Globex fails, they'll simply gravitate back to New York.
Yep.
Right. Desperate for the toilet, but I want to see this tree.
Uh-oh.
Better hurry up. We're in buyers right now, guys. Just joining. Buying off the 82 levels. Reason for that, because of this huge amount of order flow activity at the 43.82s, since being retested with negative delta, quite aggressively as well. Once we saw the presence of aggressive buying, happy to put risk on and see how it goes. Delta is climbing, but very slowly. I want to see more from the buyers, just to make sure this trade is safe. Currently sitting on profit though, sitting on 20 pips. If that's your cup of tea, take that. Sorry, oh wow, sorry, currently saw 30 pips there, sorry. Little pop up there. Maybe we'll just get a push, just straight push.
Come on, gold.
Let's go, Goldie. Ooh, if it closes like this, I really want to buy, but POC and VWAP are probably both.
Not terribly large amount of volume all day.
No, that's the painful thing about this.
Hmm.
You want to see volume, just step in, push it up to the PSC or the view up. We'll look to. Oh,
I joined in on the. I bought again, but there's a risk of this market coming down a little bit further. I'm gonna buy and hold. It's like more like I'm positioning myself. I wanna execute multiple positions.
Yep.
We should find support here.
Delta's rising, but very slowly. I want to see more positive. Here we go. If we could break this little height, I'll be happy. Big push. Nice. Nice. Okay, guys, that's about 50% of the 1-to-1 if anyone wants to go break even, but
Wall, what's the current
Yes.
GCV price, my brother?
Currently we are at 58.4.
58.4. I'm looking at 75 for the time bid.
Market to the upside.
Yeah, to the upside. I want to take it to that point because there's minor gamma strike there, like some
Yeah.
gamma there.
I
As you
see.
can see, if you hop on over to my thingy, like you see, like look at this. This is the bit, and the major one's sitting at 4400.
Yep. That'll be at the weekly highs.
Which one?
Last
4400.
week's highs. Yeah.
Yes.
Last week's highs.
So let's see if we can take it up to 43.75. I would be extremely happy. Okay, so 43.75 is exactly where I marked the extreme of this value. Now if we break above that, then we're very well gonna go to the high of this. If we were to find support, we should find support here, and if it goes down, then it could go down a lot lower. Oh, Christian, you trade personal, right?
Yep.
Perfect. Ooh, this puts us at a complicated situation. Now, this might work as resistance.
That rejection from there, guys, doesn't look friendly for us. Really should have just gone
Yeah.
without too much. Currently, like walking through treacle right now.
But then again, if you see, we are completely balanced. It's a balanced day, so this sort of behavior is kind of expected. But at the very least, I'm expecting the market to get to the PLC.
Yeah.
At the very least, which it should. And on a D day like this, on a D-shaped day, I keep on saying D day. So on a day like this, you expect them kind of behaviors where chunk of volume, you expect the support to hold, but it doesn't. Then it goes and does the other thing. This is why it's extremely important to only trade the extreme of those profiles, not the middle. Because if you trade the middle, you're gonna get whipped out. And even if you do trade the middle, always go with smaller size, so you have better risk tolerance when it comes to losing money and stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, he's an expert at that.
Thank you, brother. That was such a good compliment what you said the other day.
Oh, you're welcome.
I didn't even realize I was doing it, but now that you said it. I guess once you condition your mind to something, you just don't think.
So much love in the FTA community, man. So much love. People,
Yeah, it's a good place to be.
who else is trading like this? I mean, who else? I could go on any YouTube streamer right now, and I guarantee you all they'll have is this.
Bro,
And they're always
those
having-
guys are like wolves and hyenas. They want to like eat over each other.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
He's going to
Love
give you.
that.
He's going to give you access to. I mean, which one of these traders online can see that right now? Thousands of contracts at this price, which gives us these key levels. They're not fair value gaps. They're not silver bullets. This is real data, guys, that we're using to drive our decisions. It's not a gimmick. This isn't something that, you know, we've coded this this thing to try and sell you. This is coming from the exchange, guys. This is real data. Okay, guys, if we can just break this little high, I think we'll go break even because we shouldn't reject again.
If it breaks this high, my God, we're going to the POC.
Yeah.
And POC is like another, how many handles? 4 handles away.
We're seeing about 40 pips in profit now, guys. We can.
Come on, give me my 4%. Go. Can you? Okay, I'm gonna go under my table and blow this candle, blow it out.
Oh, gross. Okay, we managed to break that little high. Okay, guys, I am going to go break even here. And we're now break even. Just wanted to see if we break that high, which we did. We shouldn't keep coming back to the entry now.
We
should
should
at least
break the high.
Yeah, we should get to the POC. So we're break even now, guys, on that trade.
We should break this high because we put a chunk of volume there. So I'm expecting it to go up.
He's not doing a very good job at blowing this candle higher.
Man, he's under the table. He's under the table blowing something.
It's because I didn't go under the table yet.
Wait, what are you blowing?
I'm blowing the candle.
What are you blowing?
Dirty.
Ah, son of a bitch.
What, didn't we kill out?
Going to. But we didn't want to see, guys. We didn't want to see it fail. Once we broke that high, we should have really just gone.
We're still
Hanging in there,
within my
boys.
zone.
Hanging in.
Damn, okay, so if that candle flips, it's gonna tag you out.
Yeah. This is exactly what I didn't want to see, guys. A failure to hold above a little high. If that candle flips, then you would argue it probably could go down a little bit lower. It is what it is, but I don't want to see this trade go red. I'd rather just protect myself. Particularly after such a choppy day.
Go.
Go, baby, go.
I don't like the way it left some volume at the bottom of this candle. If it was to go, it needs to break this high aggressively.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on,
Break even, guys.
zeros.
If you're just joining now, okay? We are break even. Don't try and enter now.
Oh man, I needed that tea. In the service here, on the way back, we found some coffee shop and stuff. My God, none of them do tea. I'm like, bro, I'm not. I do drink tea, but I'm not a huge. I mean, I do drink coffee, but I'm not a huge coffee guy. Can I get some tea? He's like, sorry, sir, no tea. I was like, okay, I'm going.
Now, I would say that, just logically speaking, tea would more than likely be the more healthy option than
Yeah.
coffee.
Then caffeine, yeah.
Yeah.
I was a massive coffee guy, and then I stopped. Once I stopped, my God, I had a splitting headache for whatever reason. Apparently, it's the withdrawal symptom or something like that. That's what they call it.
Yeah. Well, it's a drug. It's a drug.
Yeah, and since now it's like I'm talking about currently. If I drink coffee, I cannot sleep at night. It keeps me awake.
Damn.
So, tea is the one, man.
And coffee's made out of seeds, and you're not even meant to actually consume seeds because, as you know, like, birds, they eat seeds and then they kind of poop it out and then it becomes like a new plant, a new tree. So they're technically meant to not be consumed.
Blame the
My-
Arabs. Blame the
my-
Arabs. They're the one who came out with coffee.
Is my poo? So what you're saying is my poo will create trees and life.
Yes. Not coffee though. That's not creating nothing.
What?
Come on, gold.
Gold.
Dude, it hasn't even gone anywhere for the past like 10 minutes.
Still within that zone.
Yeah.
Carry on watching it somewhere with more space and a captive audience. Try YouTube Premium now
Oh.
for £0.
Horrible.
Why do I feel like it's gonna wick that low out and then go and take the high?
Looking like it.
How's your trade looking, Simon?
Yeah, pretty on the stat break even now. It's currently 225 pips in profit.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm sat break even. I don't like that once it broke this little high, I don't like that it rejected again. So just protect it.
Yeah.
I want to see a break of zeros.
Yeah, I want to see it break. Really heavy volume, guys.
Almost 1% up. I'll just take it.
Oh, there we go.
1.5% I took.
There we go. Go.
Yeah, there you go. It's breaking with zeros. As soon as it broke with zeros, I took my profit. Nice.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm going to take some off. This is now a break even, risk free, taking some off. And we are good.
So you guys just decide to take profit, and you know what's gonna happen? It's just gonna fly. It's
Beautiful.
gonna fly to the moon.
I've still
Come
got
on,
one
I
up.
went quiet as soon as I said that. I was like, I'm waiting for it to break with zeros. That means we're going to break the high. We're going to go to the POC. I took
Hey,
the
guys.
profit and then I went quiet. And now, all exposing me.
TP hit, guys. TP hit.
We
EC.
go to the POC. Let's
POC
go.
smashed. Congratulations, guys.
Good trade, good trade.
Very many congrats.
Nice. Paul, can you have a quick look at my screen?
Sure thing.
We've got runners, guys. We've got a little runner going. I've closed 90% of it. I've still got 0.1 running.
Are you got Usain Bolt going?
I've got a little Mo Farah. Little Mo Farah.
A little more Farah.
Little Mo Farah. Great trade, guys. W's in the chat. I see those W's. It made us work for it, though. It made us work for it. God, we've sat in that trade for far too long. Far
Feel
too long.
free to mute me and Christian while I help him out over here.
Yeah,
How
sure.
about we just show it up on the stream? Maybe you'll be better.
What did you want to show, Christian? Let me. You guys.
Yeah,
you guys
let's go to my screen. It's fine. It's all good.
go to your screen.
Let me know when you're in.
Yep, I'm sharing your screen, bro. Go for it.
Nice. So this morning I drew out the levels. Let me remove this one real quick. This is the S&P, by the way. And I was interested in shorting from here.
Yep.
Or longing from this zone. Because this is all weak. This is supply zone. Sellers took the price down. Started to build consolidation lower. This one is a weak low. We can all see the equal lows here.
Yeah.
Now, I was looking to long this morning to the supply, but now I drew out the whole volume over the range, and we can actually see like faded volume here. So now looking at this, it makes sense to short from here to try to look for shorts towards the POC.
Now, since it's already made its way there, let's say if you were to get a sell setup, you just use minimal size because you're so close to the target that the value of your trade is less.
Yeah, it's already done actually. It tapped already. Yeah, nearly in the POC, but I just saw this, so yeah, it's just simply too late. Didn't look at it properly.
Now, I believe
Yeah.
that's the New York session volume profile to your left-hand side.
This is
This
full
one,
day.
yep.
This
Full day? Okay. So I'm gonna assume the New York session's that upper range there.
Yep.
So now that we've fallen back inside this New York range, we could easily see the lower end of the New York session, which would be, yep, somewhere around there. Yeah.
You lay there on the kitchen floor.
Around there. It's a nice
And then
sharp
obviously
cutoff.
we break below that. We can target those poor lows.
Yep. Yeah, that's
Perfecto.
yes, nice. Alright, that's it.
No worries.
It's good to see that. These sort of perfect example. One of our fantastic students, Christian, mentor wall, talking things out, going through these things. I love it. I love it. If you want to be like Christian, who has today shared with us that in the last, I think he's been here 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
That's the
He
third
is
week.
back into green on his account, which we're so happy to hear, guys. So happy to hear. So if you want to be like Christian, you want to be like Liam, you want to be like, no one wants to be like Edwin, but if you want to be like Alex, you want to be like everyone, you guys have to join the Flow Trading Academy. In fact, Edwin has been making some amazing Oh, he's not here. Damn it. He didn't hear it. He would have found that funny. But Edwin has been taking his trading to an absolute another level. Edwin is our very affectionate mascot here at Flow Trading Academy. But if you guys want to trade with us every single day, like and subscribe and join the Discord. Link in the description, link on the main page of YouTube. You guys took a great trade with us. That was my first trade of August. So nice to get off to a winning start. My first trade of the week, my first trade back with you guys, and it was a win. So really happy to see that play out, guys. Just to do a quick recap before we go of that trade. How's it looking? I can't come back and get my runner, but that's totally fine. We took profit at the POC. That was a great. How much profit did we get in the end? Yeah, so 65 pips there on gold. Really happy with that. Let's just do a bit of a recap again, guys. You had both Kay and I talk about this level here at the 4382s, over 1200 volume. So much volume done in here. If we go over to the footprint, you'll see exactly what was causing that. At this exact price, guys, at the 4382s, look at that, 339, 159. These numbers are abnormal, and that's what we love to trade with. We love to look at areas of significant interest. Those numbers are large enough for us to pique our interest. And although they were happening at 2:10 a.m., so I was fast asleep, or was probably awake in Australia, but I was absolutely fast asleep. But we can go back and we can mark out these levels, guys. So okay, we're not looking at that and thinking, oh shit, I've missed a trade. What does Wall always say? Price always comes back to the scene of the crime, and that's exactly what it's done here, guys, with really aggressive negative delta, really aggressive selling that we can see on the Bookmap. Look at all this aggressive selling into that zone, aggressive selling, could not break that 4382 level, and we were able to capitalize on the buy. So there was clear absorption there, guys, and we were able to take it to the upside. Target, very straightforward. It's targeting the POC or targeting the VWAP. We took it off at the POC, frankly, because we were in that trade for so long. It did keep rejecting. There goes my runner. It's okay, guys. Already secured the profit. Is what it is, and I can guarantee you this is probably going to go back up after taking me out, and that's totally fine. But we're happy to get off to a winning start this week, guys. So please make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll end the stream there. We're going to dive straight into the Flow Trading Academy because we've got New York Open. There's a lot of trading still to be done today. If you want to be part of that, you must join the premium Discord, guys. So like and subscribe, follow the link in the description, join the Discord, and we will see you in the Flow Trading premium room. Peace out, guys. I'm ending the stream right there.
Too easy, boys. Too easy for New York.
Too easy. How quick was that? How long have we been here? Just, under an hour before we took that trade. So, great shit, guys.
Yeah, perfect.
Take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time. Take care.
Peace out.
See you, everyone.